All right, today's math lesson. I know I'm kneeling on the floor because the dog's taken up the whole couch. So I'll do this kneeling. Today, for lesson 9-2, we are going to be subtracting. Now we've subtracted 2-digit by 2-digit. Now we're doing 3-digit by 3-digit. So if you go to your page 387, we'll do the first three together. So we always are going to start with the ones, and then you move toward the hundreds. So you subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. Remember, we're subtracting, not adding. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 2 minus 2 is 0. And we don't have to put the 0 in front. We can just leave it like that. Okay, number 2. Again, we start in the ones place. 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus, and it's like an imaginary 0 here, is 5. Okay, number 3. Again, we start in the ones place. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, if you have trouble with your subtracting, you can always make a number line up through 20. And then you can use the back of your pencil to count backwards or for subtracting. Okay, if you turn the page, I'm not going to do all of them on the back with you. You can do them and have your mom and dad check them. But if you go to the back page, 388, there's a couple I want to go over with you. If you look at number 8, so if we go to number 8, let me switch this, number 8. They wrote it out horizontally again. 344 minus 34. Okay, very hard to subtract this way, so we want to write it vertically, up and down. So somewhere on your paper, you have to find room and write 344 minus, now 34, write it this way. Put the 4 here and the 3 here so that you have the numbers in the correct spot. Don't forget your equal sign, and now you can subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 minus an imaginary 0 is 3. Okay? So for number 9, 10, and 11, you have to rewrite it vertically up and down. Okay? If we do number 12, jump to number 12, it says, Ella and Ruby are both reading a book that has 196 pages. Ella has read 24 pages. Ruby has read 106 pages. How many pages does each girl have left to read? Okay, so that's why you have two charts. So Ella has, we have to figure out how much Ella has read. So for Ella, they both read 196 pages. We're going to subtract, and it says that Ella has read 106 pages. So we're going to subtract that. Okay? No, I'm sorry, not Ella. Ella has read 24 pages, sorry. Ella has read 24 pages, so we have to write that up. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus an imaginary 0 is 1. So Ella read 172. Now we have to go to Ruby. Okay, so I'm going to put Ruby here. Ruby also read 196, but then she read 106. So we're going to write out our equation, and then we're going to subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. And 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't have to put the 0 there. So Ruby read 90 pages, or has 90 pages left to read. You don't need to do number 13 on this page, so you can cross that page out. All right, you may come back to the video if you need help with your assignment that needs to be turned in. Bye.